Hi, Adam Flynn here from Biggin & Scott Knox. Just a quick message to say thank you for attending our Open for Inspection. If you have any further questions on this property or any of the properties we currently have on the market, please feel free to give me a call on 0423 694 755. Otherwise, we'll be in touch in a couple of days to see if we can help you in any way. Thanks a lot for your time and have a great day.
Exclusively situated in this prominent Ferntree Gully location, this distinguished residence offers an impressive array of family accommodation, glamorous living and entertaining spaces, providing a coveted family lifestyle within moments of all amenities. Graciously proportioned interiors exude contemporary style through a welcoming entrance hall, refined study, beautiful family room, spacious formal dining room and an inviting living room. Also included is a superbly appointed kitchen with stainless steel appliances and light-filled meals area that opens out to a resort-style covered entertaining area overlooking manicured backyard setting with surrounding landscape gardens. Upstairs, a stunning master bedroom with walk-in robe and stylish ensuite, 4 further spacious bedrooms with built-in robes, large central bathroom, plus an extra living zone retreat. Extra features include ducted heating, evaporative cooling, split system, ducted vacuum and double lock-up garage. This is your opportunity to secure a superb family home in a highly sought-after location on a generous allotment of approximately 778 square metres in time for the fast-approaching Christmas New Year. The closing date for sale, unless sold prior, is Tuesday, November the 26th, 2013 at 6 p.m. At Biggin & Scott Knox, we deliver.